All right, so today we are working with the John Deere LA145, and today I'm replacing the solenoid. You'll notice it's already been removed from this riding mower, and I'm installing a new one right here, and then reconnecting all the wires. So let me show you how I do that. All right, here we go. Let me go ahead and grab the solenoid. I believe this is it right here. I would show the old one, but I mean, it looks exactly like this. It just looked older and didn't have as much color. But yeah, this is the new solenoid. We'll go ahead and get started in getting that installed. So let's see. Let me go ahead and loosen up these screws. And let me get this wire out of the way. Get some of that dirt off. It's filthy. I'm not going to do a deep clean in this video. I mean, I'd recommend just go ahead and clean your riding mower yourself. I'm just wiping off the area that I'm replacing. And I know in the comments you're probably going to tell me to clean it. I'll get around to it, just not right now. Oh, don't want to lose that. Getting that screw on. That's good. Now we're going to go ahead and start plugging these in. So I believe this one went here, and this one went here. Let's see. We're gonna, I don't know if you can see that, but we're going to remove that. You can always just zoom in on the video. Basically, I just put that red terminal on there. The other side of the red terminal goes to the battery, which I'll be doing in some other video. Okay, we're going to tighten that a little bit. Okay, feels pretty good. We put the protective cover on that. All right, so now the red wire I pulled earlier, that is going to be going to this second terminal here, and then it goes here. It goes to the starter right here. Okay, remove that first nut and try to figure out the best way of putting this on. Impact driver, just tighten that a little. Okay, and now I'm going to reposition the tripod. This right here, that's what we're connecting this red wire to. I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can, but this piece here, this is the starter, that's what we're connecting it to. So let me show you exactly what was done here. There's a new solenoid. I connected these terminal wires. This wire here, that goes to the battery, and then this wire here, which goes down to the starter, connects there. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. This video, I'm just covering the solenoid. But yeah, the replacement pieces like the solenoid and any other pieces like tools that I use in the video, I'll include a link in the description for where I bought it on Amazon. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.